Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Predicts, and this is another general reading, and right now it's for Earth and the month of May. So this is a general prediction, guys. Might or might not resonate. Not all the messages might resonate. A few messages might resonate. So whatever resonates, take that message, apply to it to your life, and if it doesn't apply to you, so let the message fly away, or just forget about the message or whatever if it doesn't really fit into your life. So these are general messages for the month of May, and it is for earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I'm reading from there, and like I was giving 2 3 or 4 5 traits for all the elements of different zodiac. So earth is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Earth people are dependable, they are grounded, they are reliable, they are materialistic. I'm reading, guys, and they are loyal and practical. So those are the traits for people who are a Taurus, Virgo, or a Capricorn. So let me see what are the general predictions for you guys, and what are the cards saying for you. This is for May. So let's start your reading. I'm using 4 different decks right now. You wanted to walk away from a situation. If you're earth sign, you are not going to walk away. You're thinking about leaving the person, but you're returning back to the person, or the person who was thinking of going away from you will not be going. The person has not made a decision. Yes, I get it's more about a woman leaving a man though, and you still thinking in your head that if it's right to be with the person or not. And I feel that if you're an earth sign, I feel that you are dealing with fire sign or air sign. So maybe it's a situation with the fire sign or earth sign, but a lot of you wanted to walk away, but I think you're still reconsidering your decision. Is that what I get from the first card? Also, this message is for you if you are born on the 9th or the 27th of the months that your birth of the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, whenever your birthday is. So one of these signs. Let's see what are the other messages for you. Victory in some situations. I got a 27, I got a 28. So maybe the victory is that you wanted to take a decision, you wanted to walk away. Though it's a relationship card, I thought, but it could be anything, a job or a business deal or a partnership, or you wanted to start up something, or any family situation that you were thinking about cutting ties with someone and cutting the cord with someone, but you're not going to do it. And I think you are going to mend the situation. You're going to go back to the person, and you're not walking away from the person. Also, if you're not walking away, and if it's starting the relationship again, or restarting everything from the beginning, it's going to be better this time. The second time around, it's going to be better. So that's what I get. Golden color is good for you. So there are 2 dates, 27 to 27 and 28. So you were born on these dates, or the person you're dealing with might be born on these dates. Let's see what's another message for you guys. Just have patience. A month is also a month of May is also the time for patience. You need to keep patience for, I think, at least 16 days. Maybe we are in the month of May, and this is just the beginning whenever you're watching this. So I think after 16, 17 days or whatever you're going to take, you are going to take the decision of staying, and you've been thinking about walking away for a long time. But I think with patience and with time, things are going to heal, and probably that's the whole situation, that you are going to stay and you're not going to walk away, guys. It is not necessarily a relationship thing. It could be anything to do with finances, anything to do with a business deal, or anything with the if you have a partner, if you have a company and you have a partner, and you thought that you're going to leave the business or walk away from the business partnership, but I think you guys will stay, and that will be your decision. And it's going to be good after that. Things are going to turn around for good and better. So your decision will be good of staying back and not walking away. Sometimes messages do form a story, sometimes they don't form a story. So there could be individual messages also. First card would not, it's not necessarily that first and second do form a story, and the story is, date wise or something. So maybe the first card could resonate with you, maybe the second card could resonate with you. So sometimes I don't take a card, like I always say, you need all the strength. Maybe you have all the strength, and now all you need is patience, and you are strong, and you have decided to mend things. I think it's also you're dealing with a Leo energy. The person you're dealing with also strong. I think as strong as you are mentally. Also, both of you are as strong, are equally strong mentally, and probably that's the time. things or fights used to happen, that one person didn't back off, so things weren't okay. But one of you have learned to accept and to adjust also. So maybe that's why things are getting better. Yes, I think you are going to speak or you will speak to each other. There's something that needs talking, there's something that's need clearing, and I think because this is the throat chakra, so you guys are going to talk to each other and clear things out, and maybe that's the reason why you will not walk away from the situation. 12 number is important for you guys. I don't know, on 12th May, probably going to have that talk, or on 12th May that you're going to decide that you're not going to walk away. Something to do with 12th May. On 12th May, you are going to talk to your loved one or your business partner or any family situation or any person in the family that you've not been speaking to. So you're going to talk to the person and clear things out and be loud. Be loud doesn't mean harsh, but yeah, say things, express things. Don't be silent in the situation. If you're going to be silent in the situation, the other person is not going to understand what happened. Let me see what are the other messages. And the laptop acts crazy again and it's starting making hissing sounds. Guys, sorry for that. Please take care of your stomach area, stomach. They shouldn't, don't have stale food. I get an infection coming up. Just be careful, especially eyes. Also, I get a lot of you will have some kind of a problem with the allergy, with some kind of allergy from a flower or some pollen, and your eyes will water. So just be careful about your eyes not getting red and not watering, because that's going to happen in May for a few of you. Just be careful about that. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. My laptop is acting funny again. Guys, acceptance. So you did accept the situation. This is the hard card. So guys, you've accepted the situation. You want to adjust, you want to make adjustments, readjustments, and you are willing to do that, and to go that extra mile, and you want to do it for the other person and to repair the whole situation. So I think you guys are going to do that. Let's see what is the hard situation. What is the other hard situation for you guys? This card just came out. I don't want to take that card out. Detaching from some situation. So probably you're detaching yourself from problem, or it could be for a lot of earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, you are detaching from the other person. So right now you want to detach could also mean stepping out of the situation. Then is the time when we step out of a situation and we are not involved in the situation so emotionally, then we can make better decisions. So I think one of you or some of you are going to step back and see things from a third person's eye, and then make a decision what to do in the whole situation. And these are love cards, so this is a love situation. Guys, if it forms a story, it's fine. If it doesn't form a story, it's fine. These could be individual messages for you, because here, first time in I've done air and I've done water. There wasn't really one story, one thread that I could pick up that could form a story or one chapter in this book, but in this book of prediction for me. But I think yes, this one is little bit. It's forming a story, and it's more to do with relationship, creativity. Show creativity in your love life. Tell the person that you love the person in a lot of ways, or whatever you want to do something special for the person. Surprise the person. Say things that the person wanted to hear and you never said it, and just surprise the person by saying all that. If you're an earth sign, and also devise new ideas of bringing love back into the life, or bringing back that whole passion back into your love life. Peacefulness. I think you guys will have a peaceful time. May will be peaceful for you. Green is a good color for you guys. Though I'm not been giving colors or whatever, and I think I did a charm. I don't remember if I did a charm for the other elements of the zodiac. But guys, you are going to be at peace. You're going to be, with your loved one. The whole situation is going to be calm, and any problems that you had will be solved between you two. Like I said, this is a love card, but it could be any situation. It could be a love situation, it could be a business situation. So, guys, happiness is there in May, so you don't have to worry much. Earth signs, you've been getting good cards, though it's more, I think, more relationship ways. So let's see, what are the other things? What are the other messages? What are the spirit guides saying? What are they channeling? Movement will happen whatever you do in 10 months. If you wanted to start something new, or it was a new project or anything, that will start happening in the month of October. And I feel that you will have all the elements that you wanted, that were important for the wheel to move. Like we have a car, we have a body of the car, but we need the tires, everything else, and and the steering wheel and whatever the engine and the petrol or whatever diesel, that's when the car moves ahead. So I feel you'll have everything you desire, and that's the time you've put all your resources together. Probably you needed money, probably you were sourcing things from somewhere, probably you didn't have the right employees, so everything will fall into place. And if you start in May, and if you started something in May, planning in May, everything around December will fall in place and things will move pretty fast. That's the channel message I get. So things are going to move pretty fast and you have to get ready for it. I want to take this card. Number 4 is important for you. So probably 4th May is coming and 4th May is important for you. 4th May you will get money, or somebody who did owe you money will give your money back. And you don't, and I don't know why I want to say this, but you will not have to make many efforts to get your money back. It will be pretty effortless. Probably the person will come himself herself and say that, see, I owed you this amount of money, or I did take this much money from you, and please thank you for helping me, and this is the money. I'm going to hand you the money over. Will hand over the money to you. So that's what I see. You're going to get it pretty effortlessly if somebody did owe you money. You're also feeling nice in May, feeling like a queen. Things are being granted. All wishes have been granted. I think it's peacefulness. I also get that you'll get a position of power in May. All signs you'll get a position of power in May, and it'll be a good position. Uh, and I don't know why it's like a corner cabin position. One of those highest positions in the office. So. Yeah, I also get that you might get an increment with it. I'm not very sure about the increment, but I'm very sure about that you will get a better, you'll be in a better position, or you'll get a higher, your designation will change. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Your designation will change. There will be some kind of news relating to that, but it will come a bit slowly. So it's not going to be in a day or two. I get more than 10 days, 12 days, probably in May or end of May. So let me see what are the Earth cards saying for you, the Earth Oracle. What do they want to say? What are your messages for May? This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. These are mini reads. Grounding needed in some way, not grounded, not really rooted right now. Maybe your plan, whatever you plan right now is not so serious. So this could be for some of you. So this is not important for everybody. This could be, I could be talking to just one person. So one of you is just making plans in their head. It needs some grounding, and you need some grounding. So don't put in money unless you know everything, criticalities of the situation or the business you're dealing with, or you I don't know why I want to say this, but you should know your business in and out. And I don't want anybody to deceive you. So you also have to be grounded. And I feel that before you start the business, especially for business, I'm saying, before you starting something new, if you've never done business, please read a lot about it, whatever problems it can bring up, or whatever you need to consider before you launch that business. So guys, this was only for people who are going to do this business. That was a very specific message. Creativity time. So yes, whatever you wanted to start and it involves a lot of creativity, I get a lot of earth. I want to take it as a lot of earth, related to earth, anything to do with pottery, clay, anything to do with mud. I don't know anything that's related to earth, plants. You found a new way of selling the same old thing is also what I get. So earth signs, be creative and launch whatever you were thinking to launch your new idea, your new website. I also get an Instagram handle. I also got that a lot of you are making a Facebook page. So this is for you. This message is especially for you. So May is a good month. May 16th is a good date for you guys to launch anything new if you want to launch anything. I also get May 24th is a good date for you to launch. That's another date I got, especially if you're doing anything, if it's creativity that has to deal with something with the earth element, mud, clay, whatever, water, whatever is related to earth. I won't say water, yeah, but like mud and water. So just go ahead and do it. And I really feel it's a unique business idea. Whatever you want to do, you're going to emerge as a winner. It's going to transform your life. This month of May is about transformation. You will look different, you will feel different, and you will do things differently. That was the message I wanted to take. I feel a lot of you will color your hair, and you will go. You will have the brown hair, similar to this woman. What this woman has, and I also feel a lot of you have wavy hair. If you have wavy hair, then this message is especially for you. This is a month of transformation, guys. You're going to be a new you. There is something you're going to see. You're going to give a new perspective to something, or this. There is a hobby that you will see with new eyes, and you will make it your passion, and you're going to sell online and. Also in your community, I feel you also want to sell it to your friends or whatever. And this is a card about transformation, so believe in yourself and do launch that website or that business or whatever you were wanting to do. So these were your messages, earth signs, and I hope you enjoyed the reading. Do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and do comment. I always read the comments. So see you later. I'll upload another video. Till that time, enjoy yourselves. Bye.